Hello everyone, welcome back to new tutorial. So in this video we will launch our own Sol token, and here is website is very amazing, pump.fun, and right now we are connecting with the website and it's our balance. So it's very easy to use, and simply we can click here, start a new coin. We have to fill this information like our token name, and here is the description. Okay, so we can copy this description, choose the file from here, the logo and the Twitter link, and this is the optional, but we can provide, and it's very cheapest price to deploy. It's only charge 0.02 Sol. So let's fill this information. Website, and the Telegram link, and Twitter link. Then they will self decide how much supply you want to create. We just only put the amount of the Sol we want to buy, so we will not add the liquidity, and they will just list on you on self behalf. We will click here on the create coin, and amount of Sol we want to buy, 1 Sol amount of token we want to buy, and create coin, and here is the amount we will receive. Now we are creating so 1 Sol is charged for we are buying tokens, and 0.3 Sol they are charged for the deployment fee. Make it confirm. Okay, so transaction is confirmed, and we can view on the main page. Here is our view profile. And there is some issue with the website, they just take little bit time. Coin created. Okay, click on it. People can buy and sell tokens from this platform, and here is the progress. If this progress is filled by the 100%, so automatically this our token will be listed on the Iridium and X. And if we click here on the trades, so there is buy 0.031 and 0.8. Okay, let's we have to spread out our token so people can buy and make profit. So it's very easy to do.